Okay guys, this is a video about a camp sink that my friend John made, and it's pretty windy, so I hope this is working out good and I'm talking loud enough. And this consists of some parts here that can be bought at Walmart and Home Depot and probably a lot of stuff that's around your house. But this camp sink basically works by a pedal here, and you could store it all in one 5-gallon container. When you're all finished, it all fits in one container. You could take it out in your schoolie, your RV, or your van, or whatever, and put it outside. Or if you live in the desert, you're setting up camp out in the desert, you can work it there, wash your hands, do stuff with it, and you fill up the bottom with water, and the bowl catches the water. And the reason for the secondary 5-gallon bucket is just to kind of a mount for the bowl, and also it mounts the copper tubing, like propane copper tubing, and you got a clamp here. However you can devise your own clamping method and some zip ties, and it goes to an aerator here that came from a sink or whatever you want to figure out, and a little rubber here that goes onto it. You can do that. You got some plastic tubing, preferably this size. It looks like about 3/8 1/2 inch. Yeah, 3/8 1/2 inch plastic tubing you can get. Goes down here. Now let me try to explain this down here in the pedal, but first let me activate it. You come in here, you put your foot here, you start pumping up and down, and it's a little windy today, and there's the water coming out. Yep, beautiful. Into the bowl like that, and you just have the bowl. And what it is the parts down here are a couple of pieces of plywood. Now you can devise certain methods to push this bulb here that you can buy at Walmart, and then this bulb has a check valve in it with clamps here for your hoses on each end. It comes like that. You can get it at Walmart or Home Depot, Lowe's, or Boat Store. And this setup has a couple of quarter inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch dowels, whatever in here, dowels into this. It got a hinge here. And now what John did, he had a tennis ball and he cut it in half, and he happened to have a circular cutter that made a routed rim inside the wood, just a little bit, enough so it wouldn't go through but yet hold the tennis ball in. And then he glued or caulked around this area here with clear stuff, and then covered the hole up that the cutter made with a piece of dowels to kind of make it airtight. And it's really nice and stiff, just real soft enough to where it ain't gonna break, and it pushes that bulb enough. So that's that setup there. And yeah, so as far as the lower gallon bucket, that's got a valve here, not a valve, just a passageway, so it passes through here tight, and got it tight in here. You could buy these parts at Home Depot, Lowe's, copper fitting, or any kind of fittings that can do the job. And then that goes down into water, and that's it. Yeah. And so yeah, that's your camp sink, whatever. Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna build one of these. I need one bad. I'm out here trying to build a place in the desert, and instead of building a huge cabinet with a sink in it and with some kind of 12-volt pump, this is all you really need. And you save water that way too, because it's not really pouring out like crazy, wasting water. So yeah, there it is, my camp sink. And if you want more information about it, you can email me or send me a message, and we'll see. Maybe we can send you a kit for a little bit of money. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, everybody, take care. Over and out.